Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review on Clovia products. This is a package I have received with Clovia name on the pink box, and it has a small tagline which says happy is my superpower with hashtag crafting under fashion. These are the products I have purchased. There are total of 8 products which are well packed. These are the products I purchased. There are total of 8 products which are well packed. And the products are detachable transparent straps and a body wash and non-wired non-padded bra with a tummy tucker, padded underwired bra and night dress. It's a solid jogger set with penguin print on it. And after that I have a high waist hipster panty and mid-waist panty as well. So there's total of 8 products in this. Now I am reviewing each product and I'll show the quality of the product along with the price and other details. So this product is padded underwired bra. This is a balconette bra designed with floral print all over. Padded cups. So this bra has a double hook enclosed with a smaller cups and triple hook and high enclosure in big cups. Underwired for a gentle lift. So it has a detachable straps to wear as a strapless bra as well. So the price of this product is $8.39. So this is the MRP. The cups are demi and the fabric is smooth polyamide. So this is how the padded bra looks like, and I have taken the full coverage of this bra how it looks, and it is very comfortable, so it doesn't feel like as if we are wearing something padded. It gives a good closure and it's very flexible. So the next product is non-wired non-padded bra. It gives full coverage and the color of this bra is baby pink. The price of the product is $272. So this bra is secured with a hook and eye closure on the back. So this elastic shoulder strap has adjusters as well. So the broad underband gives good support, and it has a mesh ladder details at the center and the sides for extra breathability and style. It has non-padded double layered cups and the fabric is very soft and it is made up of soft cotton. It gives full coverage. And the next product is tummy tucker. The fabric is nylon and spandex. It is easy to wear, and the design on the belt is jacquard rib design. So this shapewear makes us to look slim and toned body, and it's very comfortable and it gives a firm and a flattened tummy after we wear this. And this tummy tucker has an extra stretchable fiber. The tummy tucker with silicone grips. So it is of a nude color and the price of this product is 1,132 rupees. Along with this price you get a discount of 5% with all the products that we purchase on Clovia. So the next product that we are going to see is 2 types of panties. One is high waist hipster panty and another is mid waist panty. So the first product that I'll be reviewing is the mid waist panty, the blue color one. The price of the product is 314 rupees. So it gives a medium coverage. The fabric of this panty is cotton and spandex. The material is breathable and stretchable. So designed with a white polka dot all over the panty and the soft elastic at the waistband, and it is a double layered panties and it is very comfortable, and the color is also in blue. The next product is high waist hipster panty with lace panels at the sides. So the price of this product is 178, and it's a pink color hipster panty. Currently it is out of stock, but there are other different colors available. This panty is made of stretchable and soft fabric and it is very comfortable to use it. It has a soft cotton lining and it gives full coverage, and also it gives a flattering look. The next product is detachable transparent straps. So I have purchased two. The price of the product is 52 rupees and it's a free size. These detachable latex transparent straps can be used with variety of outfits like off shoulders and tank tops. So these straps have metal clamps with heart-shaped adjusters. It is elastic in nature and it can be hand washed or machine washed. So do not bleach or iron. The next product is body wash, and the name of this product is Deep Hydrating Mini Body Wash with shea butter and moringa. It's 30 ml bottle. Price is 99 rupees and it is made in India. It has a natural products with no toxic and no paraben or sulfate. It's a natural extract like shea butter, papaya, moringa. It leaves the skin feeling hydrated and soft, and it softens our skin, removes all the dead skins and moistures our skin. The smell of this body wash is very appealing. It's suitable for all skin types. So the next product is the nightwear with penguin print on the night dress. Name of this product is Dab Penguin Print Top and Solid Jogger Set. So this fabric is 100% cotton. The price of the product is 899. The size range is from small to XXL. The color of this top is black and the pajama color is light grey. Pant has pockets on both the sides with elasticated waistband for good fit. Top has a round neck and 3/4 sleeves with dab emoji print. The next product is carry bag, and this carry bag is in pink color with a beautiful Clovia print on this. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share. Do let me know if you want me to review any other particular brands or products. I am open for it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.